Hi guys, my name is Rivkah Krinsky. As a health coach, I guide people to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle with joy. Joy includes things that we love, and I happen to love baking, and so I bake delicious treats with nutritious ingredients. Today we're making some amazing creme brulee. We start with soaked cashews. You can soak them anywhere from 3 to 5 hours. Besides the fact that cashews are soft and will be able to blend easily when they're soaked, it also has many nutritional benefits. All the toxins that are in the nuts will be diminished, and also any health benefits that there are will be maximized. Then we also add some coconut yogurt. I love using coconut yogurt because coconut has many health benefits as well, with many minerals and antioxidants, and coconut is great for your skin too. I also want to add that one of my favorite health benefits of cashews is the fact that they're a mood booster. Because of the vitamins and minerals and antioxidants that are in them, they balance your mood. So I'm always looking to add cashews to anything. Also, we have maple syrup, which is a great alternative to any sugar. It's low glycemic, so maple syrup or honey is really good to use in any of your desserts. Vanilla essence just adds a little punch, and some almond milk. You can blend this up in the food processor or in a Vitamix, as long as it's smooth and creamy. This should blend for approximately 5 to 7 minutes till it's smooth and creamy, and you can scrape down the sides. If it's a little thick, you can just add a little bit more almond milk to make it a little more liquidy. Okay, so it looks like our delicious creamy creme brulee is ready to be poured into these ramekins. You might want to use a spatula just so there's no spillages. And you see the texture is creamy and very, very tempting. It's as good as it looks. Your guests will not believe that this creme brulee is actually healthy. It tastes just as good, or if not better, than the creme brulee you'd be enjoying at a restaurant. Instead of brown sugar, we're going to use coconut sugar, which is a fabulous sub for sugar. I love using it in my baking, and we're just going to drizzle a bit on top of this delicious mixture. And now comes the fun part. We are going to use a blowtorch. If you're brave enough, you can use this, but I actually prefer to use this for now, and you can purchase it at Kettle and Cord. Or alternatively, you could broil these in the oven for a few minutes. We're just going to heat this up now till it gets nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Cool, I think I'm going to get one of these. And now here we have our delicious, awesome creme brulee. Strawberries always add a nice special touch. Alternatively, you can blend up some strawberries with a little orange juice and maple, and then broil a regular Pyrex dish in the oven. Here it is. And this is just another way that you can make your creme brulee. I make both these versions at home. This version's amazing because you only have one dish to wash, and the combination with the strawberry sauce on the bottom and a scoop of this on top is absolutely scrumptious. And this version is just a really cool restaurant-style version that you can make. I hope you enjoy with your family and friends. Like us, follow us. For more nutritional inspiration and health coaching, reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram. See you around and have a great day.